I'm showing you all the exercises that I hate in the gym, but they're actually very effective for getting strong legs and growing my glutes. So the first one is lunges, guys. I hate lunges. Lunges are brutal. They are wicked. But yet, I find myself doing them even with a broken toe. I'm still doing lunges. I don't like this. Like, if you come into my mind right now, I am probably in pain. I'm just praying to finish up this session as fast as I can. The second exercise that I actually hate is squats. Guys, maybe because I've lost a few of my muscle mass around my legs, or the fact that when you have done like 3 to 5 reps, in your mind you're asking yourself, who sent me? Guys, like right now, my leg is just vibrating and everywhere is hurting. I'm like, who sent me? Because the pain, I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna drop this. But guys, I felt instant dizziness. I was so dizzy, I had to get myself together. The third one is this leg press machine. God goodness, the price I am paying to get a good leg, guys. Sometimes I'm like, is it really worth it? Is it worth it to be putting myself through all this stress? Guys, it's not even worth it. God, it's not worth it at all. But guys, I think about how strong my legs would be and how, how much muscle I'll grow. I just have to comfort myself and do it. As you can see, the way I'm squeezing my face, I had to stop because I can't keep myself. And guys, the fourth one is another variation of the hack machine, guys. This is torture. Like, how? What am I doing? Guys, you know what? The problem with these exercises is that they're so effective. They're so effective, but yet they are too wicked and too painful. You know what they say? You can't have your cake and eat it. So they are very wicked exercises rather. But at the same time, they're effective for strengthening my legs. So I have no other choice than to do them. Like, guys, how is this fair? Guys, you need to see the way I'm squeezing my face. You know that this is no joke. This is no joke. Guys, the fifth one is this abductor machines. And guys, this one is like a love-hate relationship. Because 1 minute I feel good. The next minute I'm in pain. The next minute my core is contracting. The second minute my legs are hurting or my legs are aching. But what can I say? It's like a love-hate relationship. Sometimes I like it. Other times, like, the one where you expand the legs like this. I like this one because it is painful. At the same time, it's relaxing. Maybe I'm just weird. Yeah, so basically this is it. I think I like it. Guys, thank you for sticking around. And next time I'm going to be doing and rating the exercises that I really enjoy and their effect and how effective they are on the body, because I want to always look this good, my legs be giving, my glutes be giving, and, just living that best life. Who doesn't want to live their best life? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.